Welcome to Beginner Guide to HTML. In this session, we will discuss about basic structure of HTML5, the backbone of web page. Firstly, we will write our code in Notepad++. Then we write the same code using Visual Studio Code so that you can see the difference of using Notepad++ and Visual Studio Code. Like every building have a structure on which the building is built on, and every human body also have a structure. In a similar way, HTML do also have a structure on which the web page is designed. Let's start with the fundamental building block of HTML, the tag. HTML is made up of tags which are enclosed in angle brackets. For example, HTML, head, title, body are all the tags used to structure the HTML document. HTML files are always saved with .html extension. To save your file, you have to write the file name and along with the extension that is .html. Let's start with saving a notepad file as a HTML page. For that, I need to go to File. Then I need to go to Save As. For that, I can use shortcut called Ctrl plus Alt plus S. And I need to go to the location where I want to save the file. I want to save a file in the location called demo that exists in my desktop. You have to write the name of the file. I am writing demo. You have to write HTML extension. I'm writing .html extension over here, then save it. When I open the file, you can see when I go to the folder, the file exists here and showing the icon of browser. That means the file is now able to open in a browser. That is, it is a web page. Let's open this. You can see the file open in the browser, but there is nothing inside it because we have not coded the content yet. HTML file first need doctype declaration. This tells web browser that which version of HTML we are using. If we write the browser gets to know that we are using HTML5 version. This doctype declaration is followed by HTML tag. Most of the tags in HTML are closed like this. Inside HTML tag, we have a head tag. Closing the head tag. Inside this head tag, we are having information like meta information of your website, like title of your website, we also have a body tag inside a HTML tag. Whatever content comes under body tag is the content we can see in our browser. Now we are going to write HTML code using VS Code. This is a VS Code. So first I am going to open the same folder, that is a demo folder using VS Code. I'm going to demo folder. This is my demo folder. I'm going to open this. When you are using your VS Code first time, it will ask some policy and term and condition to be accepted. So I'm going to accept it. So this is my folder here. This is the existing demo file, but I am going to create same demo file So I'm going to name it demo vs.html. First thing we need to do is writing a declaration of doc type. So I am writing declaration of doc type HTML because we are using HTML5. Our browser is going to identify the content by declaring doc type. Second thing we need is HTML tag. You have noticed that when I write HTML tag, the closing tag is written by VS Code itself. I don't need to manually write them. Similarly, I write head tag. In head tag, I have a title tag. Outside head tag, but inside HTML tag, we have a tag called body tag. So we write this is basic structure using VS Code in just 1 or 2 minutes. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insight on the fascinating world of technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.